Hey, Trelawny. Execution time. Yeah. Where do you want to put them there? Yo, Trelawny. Yeah, you hear me? I was going to see you back. Open it up. Let them know that you know it's about you. That's the every night. Let them. Signal! Trelawny! Hey! Shut an eye, hold my tongue. I didn't forget the way they get you wrong. I'm fooling all the time. Pretending, I'm so to be the lady. They can't see me, they turn a higher rank. I need my dad, I need the run. Mash up them, take them out to get at ya. Don't get them clean the mind of just a run. That's what they time instant. We'll pick them up from half a distance. I'm going to know, say, signal, I will say, boss, here, boss. If I ever militant, so it cannot, so it can. Don't be like them. Let them look confused and I wish I was hearing. Trelawny! Wanna say more? I don't believe in themselves. Give me some signal, bro. What's up, I'm going to get on me? Rich down. You know what's about mine? Well, you put me there. Still a make money, I will still a put one for the car. Don't think we come down, but we go to come. Hey, well, you put me there. Ah, do what I'm about to do, look, no matter where you are. Let's say a prayer. All the people who don't see your money on the field, give me some signal. Yo, Trelawny, new rules. Big up all the leaders and all that talk there. Yo, I want about the morning. Before I go move, see about the morning. Monetary service and I mean about the money. Every dollar I work it on me. Who ready? Who ready? Wait up, wait up, wait. No money there. Nobody hear me, they go and just say aye. They're right to us about some police. Look right now, why? That's why we up every night. Call it a Coca-Cola. We make it a big one. The type of life. The type of life. The type of life. The big thing of really profit. All I work is people. Hustle. All about the money. Rough life. Like me and the road. When I tell you something, you know you know all about the money. Every day I have something to do, I know all about the money. And the money I know. The money that's moving and started to study at the classroom. I knew rules were there now. I know people say. I know people rise above. But we tell them, when a response to walk about the Lord and gun put up. 12 food on, 2 minutes here, pana. Nothing happen. When you want them up the same, they be like the boots, they were there. That's about to like. Everybody just up and fall away. We can't go on. We have been there to play every day. All right, no, I don't believe in it. I feel it. We're the first to do. What time are they about to? What time are they about to? Never had a dog for me. The kind of dog. Somebody who's tell me. Who said he's the now? But I have to explain myself to no man, I know. Such a good advice from the number that I'm gonna do. But I do interviews. Alright. Oh, if we talk about the inspiration, just the car, I don't know where from the people need that. I have to call it to you. I have to call it to you. Just like that, just like that, just like that. Just like that, just like that. go every girl with you. In the watch of you. But in the world, there's the mother man who made on the deal. Trelawny the fear, don't get that never. Yeah, calling get a sleep. Could I do this summer sleep, but I'm still up on the field. People are what I want. They're just gonna sleep. That's how we live in. No beat boy and touch friends. We live in good. I'm down there willing. New road, everybody on the way. Better do that. I said we live in good. If you feel wonderful party, say time. If you enjoy yourself, say time. I walk for them. You hear me? Everything never makes sense sound. Tell them. Well. Hey. Wake up. They want me to stop me. I go so hard. Even if I fuck it. My God, who did this now? Hey, boy, now give me the pack. Just like that. I knew it was. For real. I drive for the perform for the fans, so I say perform for Trelawny. Big up on yourself for the turnout, you know? I want to say, big up to all the beautiful ladies in Trelawny. If y'all drink something, represent Panawana. I would say, any fine, any girl, many palm, any soul, any good, any also. If I eat a pan, it's in stream of Barbie, that's all. You never look it. I think I have 2 feet. Come on, pretty girl, them there. Hey, sing now. Pretty girl, with a body, go with a body, she has some first time, but I'm the side street. What is that? Pretty girl with a body. Come on, take her up, brother. Yeah, you hear me now? Wake up. You can jump on Rona, everybody I know. Come Rona, see for yourself, so we do whatever. Me say you're not ready to say answer. See the liquor just like it, you know. I'll be take one that thing as I see a flash. I make she. Wake up. Killing plain and said, no, to get one time. Show her the eggplant. Sugar it up and push it on me now. You can see I'm well again. None of yourself, but never really bad. I'm not sure, not no enough. But can't raise the water now. And cheap out. We'll mess around with us. If man are wicked, start a spear to away. I'm pretty girl, no say give me all of your love. I'm pretty cool, to give you the lyrics. Sing now, hey! Pretty girl with a body, but with a mad anybody, you need a bit of that one game. She called man for the first time, don't have it respect. We don't know what I mean. What was that? She earned in a love. Pretty girl with a body. Give me this song. Why every time I tell us, we take it all off, we don't feel lucky. I say, why every time we go, we do it? Yeah, you're different. I'm out of wife, you. Who you wanna make a slide inside you and give you some? You put on your name tag. Let me give you some nice wife. Call me your dad. If you me ever good. One more time. Take out the fancy and take out the makeup. Why you ever text me saying you miss me then? Just like that. Well. Lady! Come to me. Just like that. Take it outside up to me now. Oh my God, yeah. So baby, just let me. Someone you alright, and me alright. You want your man to come. You are woman that I eat. Just give up all the proper size of our door, my baby, I do. Around the picture, the pretty funny inside, I'm a squad. Just about, big up all the beautiful ladies. No disrespecting, you know. But you don't know. You don't know. Wow. Yeah, if I get a boy like the toaster man, then I'm gonna try them thing that was some other man. Oh, you go, sing now, and I'm gonna talk about the dancer. Extra. When get them men and euros. And everybody got to listen to someone, need extra. What kind of lesson we have now? For the most of them for bring them one for the two best. That mean that young style that's what I know in the dark too much. I'm the bottom of what I was saying on the side. Yeah, I know we do it earlier. I got it to make it clear, but they don't want me telling them I'm here. I'm Mr. Beard, it's on my God. Here's what we're doing. Here's the hey, the gamble, operate my twist. I never. Just like that. Yeah. Where about y'all at? I be about y'all at no rose. anything can't let go. Different. Some both side jazz. What do you? Who are raised with my ladies though? Alright then, you hear me now? Say if you ask me, girl, it's change and I don't like that. To make everything, let me please right back. I say I'm so fit in a man when I grow like that. Woman, you don't need that, no. Sacrifice your minutes, I believe everything what you're thinking out of me. I'm stressed out, I'm a beautiful friend. You're not that time I get to do with them. You hear me? You're not set up in a two-way. You believe they get a new way. And if I know me then, and if I know me then, hey, so please take me go. Go, give over me. Hey, one more time. Hey, I beg you. You see it? Hey, the running race of the suffering, but me no shame. I know me no stay in your lane. You carry me and stand in a real life. In a bed. You know you want to get it again. You put it in and me take it out again. No close your eyes. Wake up, lay down. Don't rock your fist and for the ground. We love him slowly and going on. Yo, move for it. Let's move forward. Everyone has to let's move forward. I tell we go when you ever do it. Anything or anything, come on, walk in now, walk in that thing. Hold up! They don't try licking up here too. Signal! I'm not here to represent. When you're ready there. Light up, you don't kiss this way, you want to come from my canal. Hold up! He's blocking your book, hold up! Up on me and I mean, no. Look like a witchcraft or Buddha. I mean, I know what make me love you, sir. I mean, I know what make me love you, sir. What my bad girl left there? But can you why me love you, sir? I could see you over your own, you need to run. Oh, girl is something. Oh, I said, boom, girl. Oh, girl, go down. I say, oh, girl. I say, we love you everything. Give me a raise up and sing. The smile is everything. I love you every night. No remote can change my mind. I love you everything. Take off first. Then after we converse, I'll come in to be a book. What you make your body work? Me not carrying your name, but if you're not giving me her, you put me with my girl, yeah, but that's not my credit, you know, one, but me, I'm mad about your girl, and it's like, but you me love you everything. Me love you everything. Love your memory is everything. Me love you everything. Your smile is everything. And you're full of fast time, so they break you. Me love you every time. Me love you every time. No remote can't change mine. Me don't know what to regulate. Find out. Oh, girl, you're something. Oh, girl, you're boom, girl, you're boom. Yeah. I don't like bad mind. Say about bad mind. You say about bad mind. Trelawny, yo, what we tell them? You see when you get burned, and your body will burn. And you can't be everything that I'm here. You are, and the way they burn. And that's not the next one I yearn. Not good. I'm going to chat to them. Everybody knows they behave bad, but they could have never have. Hey, I'm glad me, I'm already so they could have never said me. Alright then, not much me, I'm going to be a one of things. They would have been left to go look online. What would tell bad man? What would tell them you lose? Hey, if you want to turn, don't lick on your body with burger. You can't be a really kill that I'm here. Yeah, if you wait to turn, and that's the next one I yearn. Who wants to sing that part with me? Don't keep the line. Don't keep the line. We said don't keep the line. Don't skip the line. Don't skip the line. Don't skip the line. I will say don't skip the line. Signal, signal, signal. Yeah, you see we are just like that, just like that, just like that. In a real life. God. We ready for that up in here? Yo, Trelawny. All who gonna take violation. Where my people are there? All right, right up, yo. Rules against the blame. We go to what everyone get to do. And we go to kill them and all like we see it. Wait for the judge to allow. What we see it is a one day. It's here, it's like a minute, like a minute, every day. Go to nothing when it comes.
Mitch. Hey, Mitch. I don't thought that was Nick. I think that was Mike. Squeeze.
So it's not the one like it in a war, they must be in a war. Never move to one because it's in a war, they must be in a this. Wake up! Everybody know what we have back, they can get that in the thing that. Slide!
Damn! Alkaline, easy now, bro.
All loyalists.
Right.
All who now roll left them friend for the battlefield. Give us some signal.
Not fired.
And that's how we say. I really could say. But tell me a couple of dogs about 10 years to be. Before you go to the party.
On them.
All loyalists. I could protect for that. Them be man and no trouble. If you are, Trelawny, signal, hey, after all, who right lean upon a wall, drive up the full of my foot, run spread out like saying, yeah, get the road like, yeah, we have a run, we have a hard, that's what I'm in up, who me don't like, you don't like, you say me a couple dogs, about 10 years to be. Oh, you go to the family, that's the family. I'm going to the family, but I'm away.
Static.
Look at you to go right now. So I is Mr. Africa. Big, got a clock. Bloody and pinky. Till I live life. Tell him I'm like it. We're going to stick on it up by your face. Why go on another war? I'm blocking hell, but I shoot your father in the What you call that?
Fucking
Why
fool.
go run down the war and be a topic? Be a topic family, be a topic man. You, yes, you weapon. That's the weapon, carry like something. Drop up in a bag. And you, running on me, I'm going to say, anyone that is annihilate, we're going to stick on it up by your face. Full time. Hello, Bruno. Big up on the set. Trelawny. Euro. Yeah.